Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to find duplicates files in Windows 10. Open Ccleaner. Click Tools. Click Duplicate Finder. Select Drive. Click Search. Duplicate files are listed with directory. You can save the search list to text file. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.